In today's video, I'm gonna take you through the 5 most common products every man needs for perfect skin. But for each product, I'm gonna show you how to create a free version at home, a mid-tier version, and then one of the strangest versions I could find on the internet. One of which is Killer Bee Venom. But the goal here is, no matter what your skin type is or what your goals are, everyone gets perfect skin. Let's start with the first skincare product. See, the most important skincare product a man can ever own is a good face wash. Let's start with the homemade one. These are my favorite because we don't have to spend any money. I want you to grab some oats. This will cost you $1 at a supermarket, or maybe you already have it. And I want you to blend the oats until they're a fine powder. See, according to a meta-analysis, oats have been proven effective for almost all skincare conditions, such as acne and rosacea. They can even help protect your skin against sunburn. Now, to use this oat on your face, you're gonna apply about a tablespoon amount into your hand, and then you're gonna add water into your hand until the oats turns into a paste. Then just rub the paste in your face, going upwards in circular motion like I'm doing just now. Moving on to the medium tier face wash. I'm gonna show you the face wash I've been using for now over 4 years almost. It's the one that I trust my face on. And it's a face wash that contains salicylic acid. As soon as you wash your face with this, you'll feel the difference over the free one. You almost feel like a layer of dirt just fell off your face. Your face feels so clean and soft. That's hard to replicate, man. Next up, we have the weird face wash. I found this face wash that looks like a deodorant stick, something I've never tried before. Pretty compact. So you open it up, and just like a deodorant stick, it rolls out. Smells good. Now, according to instructions to apply it, you use it just like a deodorant stick. You literally just roll it on your skin, and you can almost see where it's being applied evenly. I don't know how hygienic that is. And now let's see how it reacts with water. Interesting. So it doesn't sud off as much as the mid-tier face wash. This is a good face wash for guys with sensitive skin. Not sure if it was my favorite one. There are 4 other types of common skincare products every guy needs for clear skin, and I'm gonna show you 3 versions of each. Move on to number 2. Recovering your daily moisturizer. Now, for the homemade daily moisturizer, it's cheap and expensive and quick. You need 2 products, coconut oil and aloe vera. First, you're gonna grab 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and heat it up for about 30 seconds until it turns into a liquid. Then once it's cooled down to room temperature, I want you to add 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel into the mixture and then mix it well together until it ends looking like a cream substance. Now, once you've done washing your face with oats in the morning, you can use this by dabbing a small amount of your face, really rubbing it in your skin to hydrate and seal in the moisture so your skin looks good for basically free. Now, for the mid-tier daily moisturizer, I suggest you do the secret that I do. Any moisturizer you buy, you need to make sure it has 1 ingredient, SPF, and it should be at least an SPF 15. Now, if you pick up a good moisturizer, you can look for 2 more ingredients that are important, niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. Both of these ingredients are clinically proven to be fast-acting, hydrating ingredients for your skin. That is the role of a good moisturizer. Now, this one in particular is from Geology. It's my go-to. I have darker skin, and one thing I can't stand is for my sunblock to leave a white tint. What I like about this is I can even tell it, I just applied it. My skin looks matte. There is no white film, so it doesn't even look like I have any sun protection on. That's what you want from a good moisturizer. Now, moving on to the weird moisturizer. I have a snail moisturizer, and no, that's not just a name. This product is actually made from the slime that comes from a snail. And here's what's more shocking. It was extremely expensive. So when you look inside, it looks like a regular moisturizer. However, like I mentioned, this is actual snail mucus, right? Let's try it out. Feels super cold, colder than regular moisturizer. Let's apply. Smells weird. It smells like glue. That's weird. So you can almost feel, it feels slimy, like sticky a bit. I mean, the skin doesn't look too, it kind of does look shiny. I'm not a fan of that. And if you can tell, it's super sticky to the touch. Might have wasted my money on that one. Stick to mid-tier. The third product you need for your skincare is night cream. Now, to make the free version, you need to understand something. That night moisturizers compared to morning moisturizers are thicker. They contain heavier ingredients that are made to repair your skin as you sleep. So you only need 2 ingredients. You need extra virgin olive oil and you need some sort of thickening agent. You're gonna use 150 grams of olive oil and 30 grams of a thickening agent. And thickening agent could be anything like corn flour, potato flour, or liquid wax. You're gonna heat the mixture in the microwave for 60 seconds, and then every 15 seconds, you're gonna stop, stir, and put it back in the microwave to let it finish the whole minute. Once done, place it in the fridge for a few minutes, and in a few hours, you're gonna have a thick butter-like paste that you can use every night. All right, for the middle level night cream, you wanna focus on a night cream that has retinol. You'll apply it at night, and the retinol is what's gonna repair your skin as you sleep. And if it's from a reputable brand, this one is from Geology. Again, when it comes to skincare stuff, it's the only brand that I trust. And it's not just myself telling you this. This brand has almost 5 stars, almost 1,000 reviews, and has won countless of awards from Men's Health, Ask Men, all the major publications that talk about men's stuff categorizes this brand as one of the best for skincare because they simplify everything. See, with Geology, it's an affordable one-stop shop for all skincare products that you need, and they get delivered to your door. You don't have to be making anything, nor do you have to be spending a crazy amount of money for it. And the best part is, because your boy has been working with them for almost 4 years, I always hook it up for you guys. If you guys want good skincare products without breaking the bank, click the link down below and use our special code that's gonna get you 70% off your first month's box. That is an absolute steal, and I promise you, your skin will start clearing up within the first month. Within the first month of you using these products, you're gonna see why they're so great and why they're the only products I trust for my skin. If you guys wanna check them out, it'll be linked down below. Now for the unusual night cream. This, they call the zombie pack. And this will test how well my skin is doing and how well your skin is doing. So depending on how the liquid dries on the face, you will know what areas on your face are too dry and need more hydration, and what areas of your face are prone to wrinkles and would need more night cream to repair those wrinkles. So we're gonna open one of the zombie packs and then open a zombie pack activator, which is a liquid. We pour the activator into the zombie pack, and then using the brush, we start to mix. Man, that's interesting. So it's starting to change almost colors. It's starting to look like yellow, almost like the like egg yolk almost. So it's starting to turn like this yellow consistency. Once it's done, all we gotta do is apply all of it evenly across our face with the brush. So I'm gonna use all the serum. Once we're done, I'm gonna set a 10-minute timer. All right, so we're gonna chill. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes and my face is hard. All right, 15 minutes have passed. I can't even talk. This thing is one of the hardest masks I've ever done, but we are looking either for cracks or raw spots. Cracks, I got a few here, each side of the eye, and the one here. That means I need more retinol in these areas. Raw spots, I didn't see much other than a little bit on this side, which would mean I would need more hydration in this area. Now we can wash off the mask. The 4th skincare product you need is eye cream. Let's start with the free one, which everyone loves, including myself. For this one, you'll need 2 common household items: some ground coffee and olive oil. You're gonna place 1 tablespoon of ground coffee in a cup, and then 4 tablespoons of olive oil in a cup, and then let it sit in the fridge overnight. Next day, pour out the liquid into a separate jar and make sure all the ground coffee stays in the old jar. You don't want any ground coffee in the olive oil. Now you've infused your olive oil with caffeine. So now the oil is gonna hydrate your skin while the caffeine will brighten your eyes, and all you have to do, just lightly apply it under your eye bag. Now an easier version of an eye cream, if you don't wanna do all that, you can just grab eye cream. It also contains 0.5% of a peptide. So you only need a little bit. Applied right under your eyes, and that's it. Peptides have been scientifically proven not only tighten skin, but help with anti-aging. And the area under your eyes is the most sensible to getting puffy or having bags under them when you're tired. Eye cream is a game changer, bro. Took like 2 seconds. Now, for the weirdest product on this list, bee venom. And it comes in a tiny bottle. That's how potent you know it is. This is the most expensive one, $160 for it. I've never used bee venom before, and this comes from a killer bee. So let's see. All right. Ooh, it smells strong. It's like a mix of vapor rub like a menthol type of smell, very strong, very potent. It looks just like a cream. The beauty of bee venom is that when you apply it, not this point, it didn't hurt, but it does make your eyes watery. Wait a minute, shoot. I'm not even playing right now. All right, so this is strong, bro. As soon as you apply it, you can feel it almost tingling on your skin. Ooh, damn. Yeah, I wouldn't apply more than a few finger drops. My eyes burn, bro. Holy crap, I'm gonna wash this off. What the hell is that? So it has bee venom, salicylic acid, D3, ceramide. Apply small amount evenly on the skin. I don't know if my skin's red, but it feels like my skin is burning right now. And I just applied a little bit under the eyes, which is what's recommended. All right, apparently that's the tightening effect of the venom and it relaxing your muscles. It's not pleasant at all. I don't even know if I'll ever use this product again. Number 5, a skin brightening product. This is the last thing every guy needs for perfect skin, something to brighten your skin. Let's start with the homemade version. You're gonna need 1 tablespoon of chickpea, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, and 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt in a bowl. You're gonna mix it until you get a paste that looks like hummus. You will then apply it to your face like a face mask and leave it for 20 minutes. This will increase color saturation to your face, making your face look brighter. Now let's move on to the second product. I'm not a fan of sitting there with masks all day, so if you want a good product that you can purchase, again, Geology has you covered with their vitamin C and E serum. This is simple, bro. Just apply it to your skin every day and it will literally brighten the tone of your skin. And I'm telling you this because I've used it before. Now for the weird product, I decided to take it to the next level by purchasing a face mask. This thing looks like it's from a sci-fi movie, bro. Let's get into it. All right, this is the Dr. Dennis Gross Specialite Face Mask. This thing's pretty dope. It is a 2-in-1. It's not just a red light therapy mask. It's also a blue light therapy mask. And you can do both at the same time to both increase collagen and skin brightness while killing off bacteria. And all you gotta do is wear it around for 10 minutes. All right, being honest with you guys, I actually like these face masks. I have a few of them. I don't know if they're worth the money. I think I paid like 600 bucks for this. It looks cool. Scientifically, it works. But everything else I showed you in this list works way better. And a lot of this you can do for free. But now you have all 5 products you need to clear skin.